Hi everyone, welcome back to my garden. My name is Lonnie, and in today's video we are going to use our old soil and make it new again. Many of you always ask, can I use the old crusty soil that's in my indoor pots? And the answer is yes, yes you can. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you what I do to amend my soil. The first thing you'll see me doing is taking all the dry old potting soil and placing it in one big container. I am using my wheelbarrow just because it makes it a lot easier for me. As you can see here, that old soil, I'm going to mix it with some tropical potting soil, and the reason why I'm using that is because I'm going to be replanting my pothos. Once I mix the potting soil with my old soil, I'm going to add Miracle-Gro shake and feed. This is going to pretty much replenish the nutrients that has been depleted in the old soil. To ensure that you use the right amount of fertilizer, you're going to go ahead and check the back for proper instructions on how much to use for the amount of soil you have. Once you mix everything together, you're going to go ahead and add water. Now don't be fooled by this part, okay? You're going to see that it looks like it's completely drenched and the soil is completely soaked, but it isn't. It takes a while for the water to completely absorb into the soil. And as you can see here, even though the outside was wet, the inside of the soil is completely dry. That is my indicator that I need to go ahead and add more water. So I'm going to go ahead and mix what I can with the water that is already in the wheelbarrow. And then once I get a good stir up, I'm going to go ahead and add more water. As you can see, I'm using a tiny little shovel, but in my experience, just good old gloves and your hand will work and do the same thing just fine. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and fill our pots back up with the soil that we just got done watering and putting all the nutrients back into. As you could see here, what I did was I went ahead and I filled my pot halfway, and I placed the pot that the pothos came in the center. I did that because it makes it easier to place the pothos back into the bigger pot without having dirt going all over the place. Next, you're going to see me go ahead and repeat the same steps that I did for the first pothos into the second pot. As you can see here, I got tired of the tiny little shovel, so I just went ahead and again, gloves and hands. That's how gardening should be anyways, and I should have started it this way, but I was trying to be very instructional, but this is actually my go-to way of putting new plants into pots. And now I am done. Everything looks beautiful in their new homes, and they have all the nutrients they need to grow beautiful. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video, and please come back again to see the next one. Have a good one. Bye.